Hey fashionistas, happy new year, we made it. Welcome to 2022 and welcome to my channel.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella. For those of you that are new, in today's video we'll discuss some basic sewing terminologies. The first on our list is the sewing allowance.
Seam allowance is also called ease. It is the part of your fabric between the raw edges and the stitching line. So I've sewn this with a 1-inch seam allowance. This is the wrong side and this is the right side. Now that takes us to the next terminology, wrong side and right side. When you take a look at your fabric, the faded side is normally the wrong side, while the surface that's brightly colored is the right side. Next is a calico. This is a plain textile material that we use mainly for practice. We use this first before working on an actual fabric. This was the first blouse I made while I was learning. I used a calico for this. Our next sewing terminology is fraying. This is when the raw edges of your fabric starts to loosen, so we say it's fraying. Now let's look at selvage. You see this down part of your fabric, the part that doesn't fray. This is what we call the selvage. When you want to cut your fabric, you're expected to fold it selvage to selvage. Though there are other ways of folding your fabric, like folding it on bias, but selvage to selvage is more common. Now let's talk about the applique. It is also called embellishments. Appliques are decorative items that we apply to our clothes to make them look even more beautiful. Now the lining. We use the lining to cover the inner side of most outfits to give them a cute and neat finishing. Now let's look at the hem. This is the bottom of our clothes that's normally folded in and sewn. This helps to prevent the clothes from fraying. And we've come to the end of the part 1 of this video. I'll leave a link in the description box below for the second part of the video. Bye! Happy New Year once again. I wish us all success. May this be our best year yet. And by the way, I'm so in love with these Christmas lightings and decorations in Victoria Island right now. I wish it can always be Christmas.